Have you heard of lip stains that last all day? Imagine a lip product that doesn't just promise long-lasting color, but actually delivers it. I'm talking about those that survive meals, drinks, and even a makeout session. Wink wink. Yes, you heard that right. No more worrying about your lip color fading away. Recently, I stumbled upon the Wonderskin Wonder Blading Lip Stain, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This product has completely transformed my lip routine. This innovative lip product promises a long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof pout. Intrigued? Keep reading. You won't believe how easy it is to achieve a flawless look. These lip stains come in various shades to flatter every skin tone. Whether you prefer bold reds or subtle nudes, there's a shade for everyone. Today I'll be focusing on the shade Whimsical, a gorgeous rosy hue. It's perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. Get ready to dive into the world of Wonderskin and discover if this lip stain lives up to its hype. Spoiler alert, it does. This lip stain is not your average lipstick. It's a revolutionary product that changes the way you think about lip color. It's a peel-off mask that tints your lips with vibrant color. The application process is fun and unique, making it a joy to use. The best part? The color lasts for hours on end without budging. You can go about your day with confidence, knowing your lips look perfect. Get ready to say goodbye to constant touch-ups and hello to a flawless pout that turns heads wherever you go. With Wonderskin, your lips will always be the center of attention. Let's talk about the shade Whimsical. This beautiful rosy hue is perfect for everyday wear. It's a universally flattering shade that adds a touch of color without being too overpowering. The pigmentation is incredible, providing a rich and vibrant payoff. The packaging is sleek and sophisticated. The lip stain comes in a small, portable tube with a precision applicator. The applicator allows for precise application, ensuring that you stay within your lip lines. Now let's talk about the technology behind this innovative lip stain. Wonderskin's patented Wonder Blading technology is what sets this product apart from the rest. This technology allows the pigments to adhere to your lips, creating a long-lasting stain that won't fade or smudge. The formula is also waterproof, so you can enjoy your favorite drinks and snacks without worrying about your lip color disappearing. One of the things I love most about the Wonderskin Wonder Blading Lip Stain is its ease of application. It's perfect for those who want a quick and efficient beauty routine without compromising on quality. It's a one-step process that takes just a few minutes from start to finish, making it ideal for busy mornings or last-minute touch-ups. First, apply a generous layer of the lip mask onto clean, dry lips. This ensures that the product adheres well and delivers the best results. Make sure to stay within your lip lines for a neat and polished look. Precision is key here to avoid any smudging or uneven edges. The lip mask will appear blue initially, but don't worry, that's normal. The blue color is an indicator that the product is working its magic. The blue color indicates that the product is working its magic. It's a fun and unique feature that sets this lip stain apart from others. Let the mask dry completely for about 5 to 10 minutes. This drying time allows the color to fully develop and set on your lips. You'll know it's ready to peel off when it feels tacky to the touch. This tackiness is a sign that the mask has dried sufficiently. Once the mask is dry, gently peel it off starting from the outer corners of your lips. Be careful to peel slowly to avoid any discomfort. You'll be amazed by the vibrant color payoff underneath. The reveal is always exciting and satisfying. The color is intense and long-lasting, leaving your lips with a beautiful stain that won't budge. It's perfect for all-day wear, whether you're at work or out with friends. That's it! You're left with a gorgeous, long-lasting lip color that will last you all day. No need for constant reapplication, just beautiful, vibrant lips from morning till night. Section 4. My personal experience unveiling the wonder. I'm always on the lookout for products that simplify my beauty routine, and the Wonderskin Wonder Blading Lip Stain does just that. It's not just a product, it's a beauty revolution in a bottle. The one-step application is a game changer, especially on busy mornings. No more fumbling with multiple products or worrying about smudges. I love how effortlessly it glides onto my lips, creating a smooth and even canvas for the stain to develop. It's like painting on a masterpiece with every swipe. The initial blue hue of the mask might seem intimidating, but trust me, it's worth the wait. The transformation is almost magical. The peeling process is strangely satisfying, revealing a vibrant rosy tint that instantly brightens my complexion. It's like unwrapping a gift every time. The formula is remarkably lightweight and comfortable to wear, feeling like nothing on the lips. It's perfect for all-day wear without any discomfort. What truly impressed me is the longevity of this lip stain. It stays put for hours, maintaining its vibrant color. It effortlessly withstands my daily activities, from sipping coffee to enjoying a full meal, without transferring or fading. No more constant touch-ups. The waterproof formula is a godsend, especially during the summer months when sweating and humidity can wreak havoc on lip products. It stays flawless no matter the weather. Another bonus, the buildable nature of this stain. You can customize your look effortlessly. For a subtle wash of color, a single layer suffices. It's perfect for a natural, everyday look. However, if you prefer a more intense look, simply build up the layers to achieve your desired intensity. It's versatile enough to suit any occasion, from casual outings to glamorous events. Removing the stain is a breeze with an oil-based makeup remover, leaving no trace of pigment behind.